Most expensive motorbikes in the world. What if you have $100,000 to buy a single motorbike? What if you have 200,000, 3, maybe $1 million, and your objective was to buy a single bike? Which variety of motorbikes would you get with this crazy amount? Did you ever imagine a bike worth $11 million? Or a painted motorcycle with $15 million? I mean, a ride of maximum 2 people for this crazy amount? Well, but if you are meant to be a biker, then there is nothing which can stop you. With various horsepowers to different styles, there is everything in this video for the truly passionate bikers. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video we will check out the most expensive motorbikes in the world. So let's count down on these bikes and dive into the details. Number 10. Ducati Test Strita NCR Mecanera. This unconventional style, aggressive looking bike can be bought by only $225,000. It is a very limited edition, lightweight 135 kg motorcycle with a 185 horsepower engine. This masterpiece is designed by legendary designer Aldo Drudi, and it features a vast array of titanium, so it's easy to see where the money goes. Carbon fiber is everywhere on the M16, and that include load-bearing parts such as the frame and wheels. In comparison to some of the other bikes, it's not as powerful or fast. However, if you are looking for a bike to just add to your collection, then look no further. Number 9. Ducati Desmo Sedici. On number 9, we have the $235,000 Ducati. This bike is also made from titanium and aluminum and has carbon fibers fenders. When it was released in 2007, its cost was nearly $50,000, which isn't bad for a full-on limited edition bike, but now its production cost is only $72,500, but after upgrading, it reaches a whopping cost of $235,000. And in case you are wondering, it is road legal, and this bike weighs 319 pounds and produces 200 horsepower. Number 8. Ecos Founders Edition TXX. The Ecos Founder Edition has a titanium chassis and exhaust and will set you back around $300,000. This edition is absolutely stunning, and it features nothing but high-end, high-built contemporary from axle to axle. It is equipped with a powerful aluminum engine that produces astonishing 225 horsepower. Aesthetically, the TXS has carbon fiber across the body, helping to keep the weight down, and has a beautifully handcrafted leather seat. This is one of the fastest bikes in the world with a speed of 250 miles per hour. Number 7. Legendary British Vintage Black. Legendary British Vintage is a unique bike and finds no match in the world. The legendary British Vintage Black was a vintage hard motorcycle first ever produced in 1948. It had a limited production run of only 33 bikes ever made, which certainly helps to justify the price of $650,000. It was produced in the United Kingdom and provided 250cc performance. During its time, it was considered to be the fastest production bike in the world, and this 1940s bike was quicker than a Jaguar sport car when it was released. Number 6. Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike. And here comes one of the rarest bikes in the world. This crazy futuristic looking motorbike is one of the world's most expensive motorcycles, costing over $500,000. The Tomahawk is a Viper V10 based motorcycle, a 500 horse superpower engine with 4 wheels beneath it, and its body is made up of billet aluminum. The bike could reach 60 miles an hour in about 2.5 seconds and had a theoretical top speed of nearly 400 miles per hour. Each pair of wheels was separated by a few inches, and each wheel had an independent suspension. But unfortunately, the bike is not road legal, and it is just a concept for now. But who knows, maybe one day we might all be riding around of these sci-fi looking beasts. Number 5. Harley Davidson Cosmic Starship. And here comes the first bike in this list, which crosses $1 million in price. Specialty of this bike is that it was hand-painted by world-renowned artist Jack Armstrong, which is why it is so much expensive, as some of the Jack's paintings usually sell at $300,000 to $3 million each. And there are rumors now that Cosmic Starship is back on the market with an asking price between $15 million to $30 million, which can make it number 1 expensive motorbike in the world. Number 4. Yamaha BMS Chopper. What's even more valuable than art? Well, this bike is not meant for the road by any means. The Yamaha BMS Chopper isn't the fastest bike on the road, but it's almost entirely covered in 24-karat gold. And with a red velvet upholstered seat, it's definitely a status symbol, a collector's item that's meant to be admired. This gold-plated chopper is hand-built around a 1.7 Yamaha Roadster engine, and it can cost you $3 million. Number 3. Ecos ES1 Spirit. The 3.6 million Ecos Spirit is a limited edition titanium motorcycle and the third most expensive motorcycle in the world. Don't let this appearance fool you, as this bike packs enough power to satisfy even the most experienced rider, reaching speed of 370 kilometers. But besides of this huge money, you have to put an effort to buy this bike. So if you do decide, then you should take a 2-week class at the Ecosy headquarters before they'll let you take it for a ride. Number 2. 1949 E90 AGS Porcupine. Costing a whopping $7 million. You have to be seriously into your bikes to drop that kind of money. And keeping in mind that this motorcycle was originally made in 1949, which makes it worth studying for any bike designer. The bike isn't too far from modern design standards and is often considered one of the most innovatively designed motorcycles, with only 4 units ever made. The reason behind high price is that Les Graham had won the World Championship in 1949 on this bike. Before heading to number 1, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to smash that like button and share it with your bike lover friends. Number 1. Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter. The jaw-dropping price of $11 million features the world's most expensive motorbike, and it is this Neiman Marcus Limited Edition. Neiman Marcus is an American chain of luxury department stores, so when it decided to unveil a bike for auction, it received a ton of attention, resulting the price to touch the sky, and as a result, the auction of bike started at $110,000 but eventually sold for $11 million. And that's it for today's videos of most expensive motorbikes. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more expensive videos like this. And if you have any video idea, leave it in the comments below. I'll surely consider it. Bye bye.